Today, let's talk about how white single fathers take care of their kids versus how black single fathers take care of their kids. When people picture a white single father, the image often comes with surprise mixed with admiration. Society tends to see him as stepping up in an unusual situation, almost as if he is going beyond expectations. His parenting is often labeled as dedicated or heroic. Media portrayals frequently show white single dads as soft, learning, and emotionally growing through fatherhood. Movies and shows highlight their struggles in a heartwarming way, focusing on bonding, sacrifice, and personal development. The story often centers on effort. Because of this framing, when a white single father does everyday parenting tasks, cooking, helping with homework, school drop-offs, he may receive praise that goes beyond the action itself. Basic parenting is sometimes treated as exceptional. Support systems also play a role. White single fathers are more likely to be seen as deserving of community help without heavy suspicion. Teachers, neighbors, and institutions may approach with the assumption that he is trying his best. When people picture a black single father, the reaction can be very different. Instead of surprise admiration, there may be disbelief. His presence alone challenges a stereotype that black fathers are absent. Because of long-standing negative narratives, a black single father often has to prove his involvement. His parenting may not automatically be praised. It may be questioned as if responsibility is expected, but recognition is withheld. When he performs the same tasks, cooking, school meetings, discipline, emotional support, these actions may be seen as normal duty rather than something worthy of admiration. Black single fathers may also deal with more external scrutiny. Interactions in public spaces can sometimes be misread, and authority figures may not always assume he is the parent without question. That added pressure can shape how he moves in the world. Economic and social realities also influence the experience. Black single fathers, on average, may face more structural barriers, employment gaps, housing challenges, or limited access to support networks. Parenting then includes navigating systems that may not feel designed to help them. Despite these differences in perception, the daily reality for both fathers often looks similar. Early mornings, school runs, emotional reassurance, discipline, and exhaustion are shared parts of single parenthood, regardless of race. The key difference lies in how society narrates their role. One is often framed as unexpectedly nurturing. The other may be seen as simply fulfilling a responsibility or fighting against a stereotype. This affects the fathers themselves. A white single dad might feel encouraged by visible praise, while a black single dad may develop resilience from having to push through doubt and invisibility. Children feel these differences too. Some grow up seeing their father celebrated publicly. Others grow up witnessing their father's effort go unrecognized, which can shape how they understand fairness and identity. Neither father loves less. Neither sacrifices less. The difference is not in the care given, but in the social lens through which that care is viewed. In the end, the comparison reveals more about society than about fathers. It shows how expectation, bias, and history shape who gets called a hero for parenting and who is simply expected to endure it quietly.